What if I told you the most creative minds in history didn't succeed by focusing only on one thing, but by learning how to connect deeply across many? Leonardo da Vinci wasn't great just because he focused. He was great because he combined deep focus with wide curiosity. Painting, anatomy, engineering, architecture, biology. Steve Jobs, technology, design, calligraphy. Today we call this polymathy. Not a rare talent, but a learnable way of thinking. And neuroscience shows it's one of the fastest ways to upgrade your creative intelligence. And in this video, you'll see how you can start applying it yourself. Modern education trains specialists. Narrow focus, deep expertise, one lane. And don't get me wrong, specialization works. But it has a hidden cost. It shrinks the network your brain uses to create ideas. Creativity doesn't emerge from information alone. It emerges from how the brain connects ideas across domains. As Michael Gelb highlights in How to Think Like Leonardo da Vinci, cultivating connections across fields is exactly what allows your ideas to become original and unexpected. And when you only live in one mental neighborhood, your ideas start to look familiar. Polymathy is often misunderstood. It's not multitasking, shallow learning, collecting random skills. True polymathy is structured, cross-domain learning. You go deep in multiple fields, allowing your brain to draw connections between different domains. As David Epstein points out in Range, exploring diverse experiences can dramatically boost your creativity. And here's how one of history's greatest polymaths applied this. Da Vinci studied anatomy not to become a doctor, but to understand the human body for painting movement, tension, and life. Let's get scientific. 1. Neural network expansion. Your brain works through networks, not isolated modules. When you learn different disciplines, you activate distant neural circuits. The result? More crosstalk between regions like the default mode network, idea generation, the executive control network, evaluation. Creativity emerges from the interaction between these networks. 2. Analogical thinking. Studies in cognitive science show that elite problem solvers use analogies more than logic alone. Polymaths have a massive advantage here. They don't ask, "What's the solution in my field?" They ask, "Where have I seen this structure before, in another domain?" As Hofstadter and Sander highlight in Surfaces and Essences, analogy is the engine of creative thinking. 3. Cognitive flexibility. Learning across domains increases cognitive flexibility, the brain's ability to shift perspectives. This is strongly linked to creative output, adaptability, long-term intelligence growth. Da Vinci wasn't alone. Benjamin Franklin, printer, inventor, diplomat, scientist. Richard Feynman, physicist, artist, bongo player, storyteller. Even modern innovators. Steve Jobs combined calligraphy with technology. Elon Musk blends physics, engineering, economics. The pattern is clear. Breakthroughs happen between disciplines, not inside them. The Da Vinci Method, a practical framework. Step 1. Choose one anchor field. This is your core expertise, your home base. Step 2. Add one distant field, not adjacent, distant. Examples: tech plus psychology, design plus biology, business plus philosophy. Distance creates creative friction. Step 3. Extract transferable patterns. Ask, how does this field solve problems? What metaphors does it use? How does it model reality? Step 4. Force integration. Write, teach, explain one field using the language of the other. This is where intelligence compounds. Daily micro-exploration. Spend 15 minutes each day learning or experimenting in a field completely different from your main expertise. Connection journal. Keep a journal of ideas, patterns, and connections you notice between different domains. As Michael Gelb suggests in How to Think Like Leonardo da Vinci, practicing structured exercises like these can train your mind to think more polymathically, turning daily exploration and reflection into real creative growth. Why this matters in the age of AI. AI can access information faster than you. What it cannot easily replicate is cross-domain intuition, lived analogies, embodied understanding. Polymathy makes you harder to replace, more original, more strategically creative. In the AI era, connection is more valuable than knowledge. Closing, Leonardo da Vinci didn't ask, "What should I focus on?" He asked, "What else might be connected?" If you want to grow your creative intelligence, don't just go deeper, go wider, with intention. If you're excited about learning and growing in the age of AI, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me on this journey. Let's explore these tools and ideas together.